scenarios, having the appropriate equipment and tools is of utmost importance. This is because these items will be your lifeline when faced with potentially life-threatening circumstances. This presentation will highlight the essential survival gear and gadgets that are indispensable, offering you a fighting chance for survival. Without further ado, let's begin. The Camillus Camtrax, a highly adaptable 3-in-1 multi-tool meticulously crafted to serve as a vital survival companion for outdoor enthusiasts. This tactical hatchet ingeniously merges several essential implements into a single, space-efficient unit. At its core lies a 2.75-inch blade, expertly forged from bonded stainless steel. This premium-grade blade not only boasts resistance to corrosion but also upholds its sharpness, guaranteeing unwavering durability and dependability across diverse outdoor scenarios. Beyond its exceptional blade, the Camtrax features a seamlessly integrated folding saw, spanning a length of 7 inches. This ingeniously designed saw can be securely locked within the handle when not in use, ensuring both safety and efficient storage. The handle of the hatchet is meticulously crafted from glass-filled nylon, delivering a comfortable and ergonomically sound grip that promises ease of use for users. Oh, those relentless mosquitoes! This repellent offers comprehensive shielding, enveloping you in a 360-degree protective cocoon that lasts for a commendable span of 7 hours. The magic behind this lies in its ingenious double-sided design, bolstered by the deployment of 2 repellent mats. What's even more impressive? In a mere 50 seconds, it raises its temperature to an impressive 329 degrees Fahrenheit, effortlessly constructing a safeguarding zone that spans up to 30 feet. But wait, there's more. This device is a shapeshifter. With a switch, you can transform it from outdoor mode to camp mode. In camp mode, it carves out a 10-foot protective perimeter while keeping the lights on for an astonishing 10 hours of continuous operation. Speaking of lights, this tiny REPEL takes on a new role as a brilliantly luminous camping lantern. Its radiance is adjustable, catering to your preferences, and it shines at full intensity for up to 9 hours on a single charge. Believe it or not, the surprises don't end there. This small wonder also moonlights as a power bank, allowing you to charge your devices while on the move. Remarkably versatile and compact, this multifunctional tool proves its mettle in various ways, proving that size is no limitation. Presenting the Bone Daddy Axxis, a versatile survival instrument that seamlessly amalgamates the functionalities of a knife, a camp axe, and a full-size axe, establishing it as an indispensable asset for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers alike. Fashioned from superior-grade materials, the Bone Daddy Axxis boasts a blade forged from robust D2 steel, renowned for its remarkable durability and impeccable edge retention. With a total span of 7 inches, it masterfully strikes a harmonious equilibrium between portability and utility, offering effortless carriage and maneuverability. This compact profile renders it exceptionally suitable for diverse undertakings such as camping, hiking, survival scenarios, and various outdoor pursuits. In moments of necessity, the Bone Daddy Axxis seamlessly morphs into a camp axe or a full-size axe, providing you with the adeptness to efficiently clear a campsite or construct a shelter. Its scaled-down dimensions render it optimal for tasks necessitating precision and control. This remarkable survival tool effortlessly adapts to the demands of different situations, making it an invaluable companion for your outdoor escapades. In survival scenarios, fire stands as a pivotal necessity. For a swift and effortless fire-starting solution, look no further than the Procamptek Fire Strip Roll. Crafted from dense and fibrous paper, this fire strip roll is meticulously engineered to withstand even the most demanding conditions. Its distinctive composition ensures unwavering durability and tenacity, empowering it to endure the rigors encountered in survival situations. Enhanced with a flint-based spark generator, this ingenious tool effortlessly sparks into action, furnishing you with a dependable flame within mere seconds. The utilization of the fire strip roll is remarkably straightforward. Simply tear a small portion of tinder from within the roll, thereby exposing the fibrous material primed for ignition. This tool not only streamlines the process of fire starting but also amplifies your preparedness for survival scenarios. Within the realm of survival gear, the Wicked Laser's FlashTorch emerges as a standout and dependable companion. Crafted from military-grade anodized aluminum, its robust construction guarantees unwavering durability even in the most unforgiving environments, thus establishing it as an indispensable tool for both survivalists and adventurers. Among the notable attributes of the FlashTorch is its incorporation of advanced lithium technology. This innovation not only heightens its performance but also diminishes its weight, rendering it more manageable to carry in critical circumstances. The essence of versatility is deeply understood by the FlashTorch, evident in its provision of 3 power selection modes. This thoughtful feature empowers you to customize the light's brightness according to your specific requirements, ensuring efficient battery conservation when needed, while also offering the capability to flood your surroundings with a potent 4,100 lumens of brilliant white light when the situation warrants it. Now, let's turn our attention to the Thrive 291-piece first aid kit, an indispensable survival gear that warrants inclusion in any adept survivalist's inventory. Meticulously designed with meticulous attention, this first aid kit exudes lightweight portability, rendering it a quintessential asset across diverse survival scenarios. Be it a critical survival predicament, wilderness camping, or attendance at sports events, this emergency travel medicine kit unfailingly stands as a dependable companion. A standout attribute of the Thrive First Aid Kit is its ingeniously structured layout. Nestled within a sturdy casing forged from ripstop nylon and vinyl fabric, this kit guarantees the secure retention of essential supplies even amidst challenging circumstances. Concealed within, a multitude of inner pockets facilitate effortless and systematic storage of the kit's contents. The contents of this kit bear the hallmark of premium quality, aligning with hospital-grade standards. Every element within the kit reflects meticulous curation and an unwavering commitment to excellence. Now, introducing the Yolk Solar Paper, an innovation in solar charging that redefines survival preparedness from every angle. This solar charger not only embodies practicality but also showcases a novel and sophisticated design. Distinguished by its gold-plated solar panels, the Yolk Solar Paper is a testament to precision in capturing sunlight, ensuring unparalleled efficiency even under the harshest conditions. This amalgamation of functionality and elegance distinctly sets it apart from its counterparts. A remarkable attribute of the Yolk Solar Paper is its extraordinary charging speed. Equipped with the most efficient solar panels available within the consumer market, it can recharge an iPhone in a mere 2.5 hours. This swift and reliable charging capability keeps you connected and well-informed precisely when it matters the most. And this concludes our list of the top 7 life-saving survival gear and gadgets on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.